Hello viewer, and welcome to Ajayastro Mini Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodities. Today, we dive deep into the sugar market, where prices have surged amidst significant disruptions in Brazil. Let's explore the factors driving these movements and what it means for the global sugar industry. On November 19, sugar prices witnessed a remarkable surge, climbing to one-week highs. This spike was largely fueled by growing concerns over seasonal mill closures in Brazil, a development that could sharply reduce sugar output. According to Wilmar International, 38 sugar mills have already ceased operations, and this number is projected to triple by the end of the month. Heavy rainfall across Brazil has accelerated these closures, disrupting cane processing far earlier than usual. Typically, Brazilian mills pause operations during the wet months of December and January, resuming only in March if weather permits. However, the intensity of this year's rainfall has brought unexpected challenges. This disruption in Brazil has had a direct impact on sugar prices. ICE March raw sugar futures jumped 2.87% on Monday, settling at 22.20 cents per pound. Similarly, London's December white sugar futures surged by 3.33%, closing at $573.50 per metric ton. These gains come as the market rebounds from last week's two-month lows, which were triggered by the dollar index climbing to a one-year high, putting pressure on commodities. Adding complexity to the market, Thailand, the world's third-largest sugar producer and second-largest exporter, has projected an 18% increase in its 2024-25 sugar production. According to Thailand's Office of the Cane and Sugar Board, the country's output is expected to reach 10.35 million metric tons, up from 8.77 million metric tons in the previous season. This rise in production is likely to add to global supplies, further influencing prices. Meanwhile, in India, optimism over a bumper sugar crop has also weighed on market sentiment. The Indian Meteorological Department reported 934.8 mm of rainfall during the current monsoon season, marking the highest in 4 years and exceeding the long-term average by 7.6%. This abundant rainfall is expected to boost sugarcane yields, contributing to higher production levels in the months ahead. Despite these factors, Brazil remains the central focus of the global sugar market. The early mill closures caused by adverse weather have created significant short-term supply concerns. As the market navigates this uncertainty, all eyes are on Brazil's weather conditions and the production updates that will emerge in the coming weeks. To summarize, the sugar market is experiencing a volatile phase, with Brazil's mill closures playing a pivotal role in driving prices higher. While increased production in Thailand and India offers some relief, the immediate supply concerns from Brazil continue to shape market sentiment. Stay tuned to Ajayastro Mini Guru for the latest updates and expert analysis on the sugar market and other key commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you for watching. Keep following Ajayastro Mini Guru for the latest market trends and in-depth commodity analysis. Until next time, take care and happy investing.